All right, hi guys. Today we're going to be making this frog. I personally love frogs. I had a frog as a pet as a little kid. I used to like find frogs and try to keep them like in the wild. I love frogs. They're so cute. But you got to be careful with frogs because I found out that there are types of frogs who a drop, just a little drop of toxin, so the really bad chemical that they can make, can kill an entire town. So you got to be really careful with these guys. Generally, if you see like a lot of like bright colors, that means nope, do not touch them, okay? So my frog is green, just a little tree frog, or, you know, he's sitting on a lily pad, just thinking about his day. So here we go. So the first thing that we're going to do is the top of the head. So we're going to make a little hill like this. So the left or one side is going to be higher than the other. And then you're going to make one on the other side, but this one's going to be longer. So it's going to come up and it's going to come down. So we did this line and we did this line right here. A group of frogs, we're going to do a middle one. A group of frogs is called an army. It's an army of frogs. I thought that was pretty silly. And then we're going to make the eyes. You can make them like this. We can make them circular if you'd like. You can make them more square like I made them. We'll make one on this side. And then for these ones, you may want to put a little bit of a, not an eyebrow per se, but just kind of where that bone is. Oh. And then I'm just going to draw some spots on the back. I like mine to be a little spotty guy. All right. And then we're going to make underneath this eye is going to come down a little bit. We're going to make a little bit of a lip right here. And then we're going to make the mouth. So the mouth is going to come up and then it's going to come down. And it's going to be, it goes from mouth to belly. So from mouth to belly. Sometimes I like making them a little different so that, you know, I could give you the two options for the eyes. I don't always like drawing the exact same thing. I like to mix it up sometimes, so. All right, and then on one leg, we're gonna do this line and this line. So we're gonna start in the middle of the body, kind of. We're gonna come up like that. And then at a point, that's where the knee is, we're gonna come back around. And then if you want, you can make some circles on the leg. All right, and then in the leg, you're gonna make a curved line. Comes in like that. Some funny things I learned about them is that in order to push their food down their throat, they have to blink. Kind of gross. So they put it in their mouth and then they blink and it pushes it down. Kind of strange. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing like this, but on this side, but it's gonna be a little skinnier. So like that. And then the other one's gonna come down again. And instead you're just gonna put a line in the middle. And I just realized I have my front legs having 4 fingers and my back legs having 3. It's kind of silly. We're gonna make 3 on each hand though. So this hand you're gonna have the hand come off of this edge, and you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then touch the leg that we had made right there. And then our next leg, we're gonna do this front arm right here. So we're gonna come off the middle. We're gonna come down, around, like that. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3, and then touch it back to the front. Some other cool things is that another cool fact is that they have upper teeth on the top, and that's what they grab something with, but then they end up swallowing their food whole. So, kind of gross. They don't actually chew it. And then connect the body right there. And then you're gonna make an arm that just comes straight down a little bit, and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then we just need this leg, 1, 2, 3, and the back. You can add some circles. You could add it, instead of being on a lily pad, maybe you have it sitting on a branch. Maybe this is a tree frog on a tree. You could have that. All right, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Make these look super cute, color them in, tag me in it, and let me know what you guys come up with. Bye.